some more unboxing. This time, this is Australian boxing. Hope you enjoy this, guys. Go to the next video. See you in a minute. Hi guys, well, I'm back. Here's the box. What's in the box? Shall we have a look, shall we? See? Oh, full of goodies. Should go for one by one. Well, the first in the box is dairy milk. What else is in the box? Second one, oh, it's upside down. It's an original, Shapes original barbecue flavour. That'd be quite interesting. Next one, another Shapes original barbecue flavour. We've got here Scotch fingers, mini Scotch fingers. Oh, we've got here Chico, and it's got in it. It's got in it. It's got yummy chocolate flavoured jelly babies. Quite interesting. Another dairy milk with a koala bear on it. Another one. Here we've got cherry ripe. And we've got violet crumble. And Tim Tam. Real chocolate. That'd be quite nice. What else have we got? Vegemite. Yum yum yums. Take that's like Marmite, I suppose. And the same one. Oh, it's not. Tiny Teddy original chocolate. And that's just in the box. That's it. Yeah. Right, and I hope you enjoy this, guys. Yum 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 yum. Tasty, tasty, very very tasty. Hi guys, it's me, Jackson UK again. I hope you enjoyed that video. What I was doing, showing you what is it? Australian food, sorry. Right, and I thought I'd try something. I'm not quite sure. I'll try something. Oh, I could try open it up for you if you want. Go for something little. Well, dairy milk. We all know what this is. Right. I don't know. Something little, really. No. We'll have to do. We'll have to come back, let you know what I like. Comment down below what you like. I hope you. I don't know if you liked tried Australian food before, because I haven't. Tried Tim Tams. Or I know. I'll tell you what. I'll open the Shapes. Yeah. See what they like. I can't like doing this, trying food on camera, but for you guys. Barbecue. Nice. 5 days later. Oh, excuse me. Still eat it, sorry. Don't like eating, talking with my mouth full. Tastes like salt and vinegar plus barbecue. nice. I do like that. These, I'll probably have this Vegemite on toast. I'll try that. As it says, it's like, it's basically just like Marmite. Yeah, anyway, hope you enjoy this, guys, and I'll see you later.